This 2024 Newmar Bay Star 3626 is a Class A RV. It is located in Draper, Utah, 84020 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2024 Newmar Bay Star 3626 is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.